Hello, how to solve for A and B in this equation? A plus B is equal to 16. AB is equal to 16. Solution. A plus B is equal to 16. Let's call this equation 1. AB is equal to 16. Let's call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 16. Let's make B the subject of the formula. B is equal to 16 minus A. Let's call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, AB is equal to 16. We know that B is equal to 16 minus 8. We have A bracket 16 minus A is equal to 16. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 16, this is 16. A minus A multiplied by A, this is A squared, is equal to 16. Now we have 16A minus A squared minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we have minus A squared plus 16A minus 16 is equal to 0. Let's divide all through by minus 1. Minus A squared divided by minus 1. This will give you A squared plus 16A divided by minus 1. This is minus 16A minus 16 divided by minus 1. This is plus 16 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We have A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of D over A, because we want to solve this using quadratic general formula. Or we have quadratic general formula as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. Now from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 16, that is minus 16, and C is equal to 16. A is equal to minus bracket minus 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 16 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then A is equal to minus times minus 16. This is 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square. This is 256 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 16. That is 64 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 256 minus 64. That is 192. Then over 2. A is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 192 can be written as square root of 64 multiplied by 3 over 2. Then A is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 64, that is 8 root 3 over 2. Now A is equal to 16 over 2 plus or minus 8 over 2, then root 3. 2 here 1, 2 here 8, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. A is equal to 8 plus or minus 4 root 3, or A is equal to 4 bracket 2 plus or minus root 3. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A. Let's solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 16 minus A. Then B1 is equal to 16 minus 8 plus 4 root 3. Then B1 is equal to 16 minus 8, minus times plus, this is minus 4 root 3. Then B1 is equal to 8 minus 4 root 3, or 4 bracket 2 minus root 3. This is the value of B1. Now let's solve for B2. Also, B2 is equal to 16 minus A2. Then B2 is equal to 16 minus bracket 8 minus 4 root 3. B2 is equal to 16 minus 8 plus 4 root 3. B2 is equal to 8 plus 4 root 3, or 4 bracket 2 plus 4 root 3. These are the values of B2. Then, therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 8 plus 4 root 3, 8 minus 4 root 3, or 4 bracket 2 plus root 3, 4 bracket 2 minus root 3. Also, S2, Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4 root 3, 8 plus 4 root 3, or 4 bracket 2 minus root 3, 4 bracket 2 plus root 3. You can see that from this solution, the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 here is equal to the value of S2 here. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: A plus B is equal to 16. AB is equal to 16. Then, let's consider this. A plus B is equal to 8 plus 4 root 3 plus 8 minus 4 root 3 must be equal to 16. Then this, we cancel this. We have 8 plus 8 must be equal to 16. 8 plus 8, this is 16, is equal to 16, which is true. Now let's consider this. AB is equal to 16. This implies that we have 8 plus 4 root 3 bracket 8 minus 4 root 3 must be equal to 16. Then here we have 8 times 8. This is 64 minus 8 times 4. That is 32 root 3 plus here is 32 root 3. Then we have minus 4 times 4, that is 16, multiplied by 3, then must be equal to 16. This will cancel this. We have 64 minus 16 times 3. We have 3 times 6, that is 18. 8 remain 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, that is 4. 48 must be equal to 16. Then 64 minus 48. So here is 16 is equal to 16, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.